Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Finelo AI for trading. So, especially if you are a beginner or someone who wants to improve their trading decisions using AI, okay? So, you can download the application or you can also use the website for this one. So, for the website, you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Finelo AI. That's right. And then you have this first website right here. So you just have to click on this one. Okay, and then you will be directed to their website. So right here, you just have to tap on the get started option. And then you just have to sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. Okay, so we'll go through the what Finalo AI is and how it works and how I can use it step by step. And of course, I'll share some practical tips and advice so you don't just rely on AI blindly. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end. So first, the Finalo AI is a platform that uses the artificial intelligence to help traders analyze the market, spot trends, and make smarter trading decision. Okay, so instead of manually checking the chart for hours, the AI helps simplify everything by giving insights, predictions, and signals. So, this is especially useful for beginners because trading can be very overwhelming at first with all the charts, indicators, and strategies. So, you have to think of Philo AI as your assistant and not your boss. Okay? So, first, it saves time. So instead of analyzing everything manually, the AI already processes large amounts of data quickly. Okay, so let me just show you that right here. So this is the leaderboard right here. Okay, so for your tools, you have that right here. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds and then you just have to tap on the analyze now option. Okay, so the AI already processes large amounts of data quickly, so you have to upload your trading chart to receive an in-depth analysis. You just have to tap on this one and then you just have to choose from your library or take a photo. You just have to allow to take photo using your computer's camera. Okay, so you have to take note of that, so you just have to upload it right here. And then second, okay, it helps reduce emotional trading. So most beginners lose money because of fear and greed. So AI gives more objective insights. And third, it provides learning support. So you'll start to understand pattern and strategies as you use it over time. But remember, it is not magic. It doesn't guarantee profit. Now, for the learn section, okay, so let's just claim the reward first for our day one. Okay, so you just have to open this one. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so we got this. That's right, and then this one. Okay, so now that we have a balance, so this is just a total balance demo. So for example, we will be buying our assets. So tap on the buy assets option. Okay, so for example, we have here the different coins that we can buy. So, for example, from Apple. Okay, so get unlimited practice for this one. So, for Netflix, we have this one. Okay, so you just have to buy your assets. Okay, so now let's go back here to our learn section. So, as you can see, we have our daily lesson every day. So, this is our 28-day trading challenge. So, for the first one, we can listen or read. Okay, so now they are building your lesson. So you'd be able to really understand how trading works because of this daily training. Okay, so just have to go here and then you just have to read and then proceed to the next one and then you just have to finish your training. Okay, so let me just end our session. Okay, so again, this is our dashboard. So we have the learn section. Our tools is located in this area. Our portfolio, our letterboard. Okay, so next is our profile. Okay, so this is our profile right here, and then this is our current balance and our current place. assets, right? And we'll be able to see here our progress and our achievements. Now, the next one is um, again, you have to pick what you want to trade. So you have that right here on the tools section. I mean, on the portfolio. Okay, so you just have to choose, and then if you're a beginner, I recommend starting with one asset only. So do not try everything at once. You have to take your time and you have to check the AI signals. So find low, AI will share suggestions like buy or sell signals, trend direction, and possible entry points. But do not just follow it blindly, always double check. Next one is to analyze the chart. Again, you have to use basic indicators like support and resistance. Even if AI suggests something, make sure it matches what you see. And start with small trades, okay? You have to take note of that. You don't have to be greedy at first. Okay, so even you already in these platform for too long, you have to make sure that you don't get greedy. Okay, so if you're using real money, you have to start small. And this helps you learn without risking too much. And you have to track your performance, so you have to review your trades and see what worked and what did not. So you have that right here in the tool section. Okay, and then you can see this AI market forecaster, but this one is for the pro plan. And we have the smart pattern finder. And we also have here the AI mentor. Okay, so now make sure that you do not rely 100% on AI. Okay, so AI is a tool, not a guarantee. So always use your own judgment, and you have to learn the basics of trading. So even if you're using Finelo AI, you should still understand trends, risk management, entry and exit points. So you can use another platform, or you can do research on your own, and you have to manage your risk. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so a good rule is to risk only a small percentage per trade. And of course, you have to avoid overtrading. Just because you have signals does not mean that you should trade all the time. So you have to be very patient. So trading is not a get rich quick thing. It takes time, practice, and discipline, of course. So, some of the mistakes beginners make: following every signal without thinking, using too much money too early, and expecting instant profit. So, not reviewing past trades. So, those are the common mistakes for beginners. So, if you avoid these mistakes, you already have a big advantage. Okay, so Finelo A can be a very powerful tool if you use it correctly, but always remember your success still depends on your discipline and your decisions. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video will be solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.